You cannot build a successful business and not speak, not be visible, not be captivating on some level. And so here's the challenge. Here's what tends to happen. Here's what tends to happen, right? Is that we have a business idea. We have a business idea, and we take that business idea and we attach a marketing tactic to it. We attach a marketing tactic to it. Now, tell me what marketing tactic you've been using more than anything else right now. For some of you, I know you came from actually Shanda's world, so it could be summits. For some of you, I know you came from Danny Eni's world. Maybe it's building courses. For some of you, it may have been funnels. For some, but what? Instagram? Yeah, it's going to be social. YouTube, social media, summits, Facebook, right? I'm seeing a lot of different things here. Facebook, word of mouth, networking, blogging, free events, email marketing, social. Yeah, absolutely. And that's how most businesses are built. And then the idea is from that marketing tactic, I get leads. And from those leads, right, I close sales. Does that make sense, everybody? Now, there's no shame over the next 2 days. We're all in this together. We're going to work together. And I want you to be vulnerable. The more vulnerable you are, the more work we can get done. Put me in the chat if this is kind of how you've done this. Maybe not perfectly. Maybe it's roughed out because you're just starting, but you are not making the money that you want to make. And this is kind of what you've done. Idea to marketing tactic to hopefully get leads to make money. Now I want you to look at the chat. It is flooded with me's. We've got about almost 170 people on right now. And I would say there's been at least 125 me's. Now, I'm going to make you beg for it a little bit. I'm going to wake you up this morning. I know some of you are on the West Coast and it's 8 a.m. Do you want to know why that's the case? If this is the normal order of doing business and you, at least on some level, have been doing the normal order of doing business, do you want to know why it's not working for you? I do. Heck yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Here's the reason. Here is the challenge. Is that an idea that leads into a marketing tactic? If you have not done two things first, learn to be an incredible speaker and have a business strategy that goes along with that, the rest of this falls apart. The rest of this falls apart. And almost nobody teaches that. I love my coaching industry. I love the business industry. I have so many friends and clients and colleagues and amazing human beings who are a hell of a lot smarter than I am and make more money than I do. And they don't teach this. And then they get a whole pool of clients that get very good at a tactic. How many of you are excellent at a tactic, but it's not turned into money? Right? Can I get some nods? Does that make sense, everybody? How many of you are excellent at a tactic, but it hasn't turned into money? This is why. If this is not the start of the framework, all of this, I don't want to say it becomes impossible because that's not true, but it becomes super slow and super hard. And the two magic pills to business, ready? You want to write these down, are speed, two S's, speed and simplicity. Speed and simplicity. Somebody put it in the chat, speed and simplicity. And what this does is it's slow and it's complicated because you're leading from tactics before you know exactly how to say it, how to get attention, how to be visible, how to be captivating, how to wow every room, and how to sell through speaking as opposed to sell through selling, and having the strategy in place to support 6 or 7 figure success.